I don't know what someone here. So I'm trying to check out the new VAD update. This is not a VAD. This is VAD. This is not even a VAD, dude. What? I have to wait 30 hours just for this to load. Yo, paused? How do you pause an online game? Yeah, all this stuff is still here. What? Oh, that's still there. Daily store. There's literally nothing good in the daily store. Besides some unusable. But and all there's nothing. What is this? Alright. My inventory. Yo. My avatar ain't loading. Medikit and headphones. Medikit's kind of OP. Don't know if they should use it. Whatever. Don't know if they should like get rid of it or not. I'm pissed. Oh. My internet connection sucks. Oh, what? I don't know. These two games, the explanation on the two games, I posted it just yesterday to my community thingy about some stuff with these two games. It's about my friends though. They don't even play these games that much. I don't even play them at all. They're really weird. Sorry for not been uploading. I just have stuff. Schools. You know what school is. Or a drinker, or maybe a hot Yo, I just heard that and I was like, yo, is that Jumper? Okay, cool map. I was literally just crossroads. Nothing that we haven't seen before for a game like this. What did I die to? What did I die to? changing it to not found. Which is good, because last time I chopped the trees, every single time I tried to grow, it just pointed towards like a sign or something. And I did not. I'm glad I looked at this. We're on 4, by the way. Oh my god, my air. What is this? What is this? What? What is this? That might be it. I'm tired. I haven't even ate.